12 lead ECG placement skills video. I have my proper BSI on, and to start off, it has a bare chest, so we can start with the placement. We'll start with the right arm with the limb electrodes. So the right arm would be a white electrode, so we'll put that one there, and then we'll go to the right leg, which would be green, which you can remember with clouds above grass. And then we can go to the left arm, which is black. And then the left leg, which is red, which you can remember smoke above fire. And then you can go to the V's. So to find these, the first one will go to the just right of the sternum, and then we'll go to the first intercostal space. You can press down a little hard here. That's your first. And then you can slide your finger, then your second, and slide it again. That's your third. Slide it one more time, and that's your fourth. So then you can come over and grab your red, which is V1. We'll place it here to the right of the sternum once again. And then we'll go and grab, then we'll go to the left side. So we'll do the same thing, just this time to the left of the sternum. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And this is V2, which is a yellow electrode. You can go right here. And then we're going to skip V3. You'll see why in a second, but we'll go to V4. So to find this, we're going to go to the center of the clavicle. So if it ends up here and starts here, we'll go just about here. And then this one's going to be the 5th intercostal space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 right here. So this would be V4, which is a blue electrode, or blue wire, I guess you could say. And then V3, what you're going to do to find V3 is you're going to split that gap. That V3 is a green electrode. You're going to split that gap going down. It's basically just the step down electrode. And then we're going to skip V5 once again, and go to V6, which this is on the midline auxiliary, and this one is on the midline auxiliary line, and this would be the 5th intercostal space as well. So you would find your 5th. It's going to be in line, should be in line with V4, because that's also in the 5th intercostal space. So right here, and this one is purple, so this one's going to go right about there. And then lastly, V5 is going to go right in between, splitting the difference again, similar to V3. And that one, V5, is orange. So now you can see, you'll have, once again, a brief recap. You have the right arm, which is white. You have the right leg, which is green. You have the left leg, which is red. You have the left arm, which is black. And then your V's, you have V1, which is red in the 4th intercostal space. V2, which is yellow in the 4th intercostal space as well. V3, in between the 4th and 5th intercostal space, kind of a step down. V4, which V3 is green. V4 is blue in the 5th intercostal space. V5 is orange in the 5th intercostal space. And V6 is purple in the 5th intercostal space as well. That's it, and good.